Hello, this is Ted with Overland Pros. I'm here to demonstrate the installation of the Annex on our Anza line of tents. Our Anza 2000, which is what we have here, is our largest tent, holds 4 to 5 people. We also have the Anza 1400, which is a 2 to 3 person tent. And then the Mojave has a separate overhang, which installs a little bit differently. So we're going to be concentrating on the Anza Annex at the moment. So once you have your tent all set up, kind of one of the hardest parts is figuring out how the Annex is going to attach to the tent and the configuration. If you'll notice on the Annex, it does have 2 mesh windows. Those go to either side, and we use these sail channel or gimp that actually slides in a channel on the bottom of the tent itself. Now, you put the cover into the back sail channel when we installed the tent, and that can come off, and you can install the Annex on the back, which covers up part of the vehicle. But generally speaking, when we're setting it up, we usually just leave the cover on and just let that back piece hang down because we don't really need to use it. So to start off with the initial installation, what we do is I come to the back corner, which would be over there, in front of the mesh window, and we started in this channel here. And just getting started, because the way that everything works, we're going to want to start this side as well. And 2 people really does help for the full installation, but it can't be done with 1 person as we do here. So we start sliding in the channel as it goes through. Just make sure those things are back there, they don't get caught. As you go, you kind of just pull one side, slide it in from the back. So now we basically have the sides on. And then right now I have this zipped up. So what we can do is to give it, to ease the tension on it, we can unzip this section here, and then that leaves this sail channel open. The way that these work is there's openings on each side of the corner. We can go ahead and put it in from the side on there. And put this on the side here. And then what you'll notice is actually this comes in front of the ladder itself, and then this can be reattached once we get enough of this in here. Get a little more slack to get it on over. You can close it all up. It's got guy lines here that you can stake out the Annex if you'd like, and we do include a floor as well. Now if you have it all covered up like that, there are mesh windows here that you can use to get in and out. And then obviously, once you're done and you're ready to go on up the ladder, you can zip this up. Roll this to the side, and then you can go ahead and climb up into your tent. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.